To begin, this is the DDDM Part 2. DDM is a consumer goods company founded in late 2007. We have target customers include small markets, grocery stores, and then bistros worldwide. The total revenue for 2013 was about $73,000, and DDDM is gaining meaningful market share and traction with most of the customers. In 2013, we showed a strong increase in sales compared to the previous year, and that is especially strong in the summer months. Loyal customer base along Western Europe and then in North America. Strong product base, increase in sales in almost all the product categories, and we've identified top selling items that should be prepared for market more strategically. This here is going to be a graph that shows 2007, 12, and then 13 sales. The 2007 begins in October, and then 2013 actually ends at appears in September, so those can kind of misconstrue our numbers a little bit. The grand total for all sales is going to be about $1.3 million. This graph here shows by month our top sales. As mentioned, they are in the summer's months, with August being the greatest revenue. This is going to be our product category. As you'll see, beverages, dairy products, and meat and poultry were our top, and then last we had produce, and then grains and cereals. This slide is going to be percent increase from the years. Once again, we're comparing 2007, 12, and 13. We had some significant increases from 7 and 13, but that's mainly due because the total value of 7 was relatively low. So we're really looking at 12 and 13 increases to see if we can kind of predict what we're going to be doing in 14. As you'll see, meat, poultry, produce, and seafood had the greatest amount of increase, with the grand total of just a little over 26% between 2012 and 2013. Here we've got some product names that are going to be our best selling products, and it's listed 1 through 10. Then we have the top sellers by particular year. As you'll see, 27 was going to be mozzarella Giovanna. And then as we get to a little bit more 12, you can see they've steadily increased. And then lastly, in 2013, we can see they've increased a little bit more. This is going to be our top customers. Down the line, you'll see those to the left. That's going to be by 2007, 12, and 13 again. And then we have our top customers by year. Now this is all just going to be our top 10% customers. It's important to note that we had many other customers that had a much stronger share in the overall value. Our top 10% is about $655,000, just about half of our total revenue for the years. Our top customer changes, sales are 41% more developed from 2012 to 2013. The greatest positive change was Finale Carnes with about 634% increase from 2012. Our greatest negative change was Mier Polidard with about 98% change. This significantly dropped our profit from them. This is going to be our top sales by region. Each graph is kind of start from the right. It's going to turn counterclockwise. It gets about 12 o'clock. So we'll see that in 7, Germany was a major contributor. They remain major sales through 7, and then they're about the second best through 2012 and 2013. And then the USA really picked up in 2012 and 2013. And then, like I said, you can wrap around counterclockwise and see about the percentage that each country contributes to sales. So our future trends, DDM is growing in sales volume. Although more data is needed to establish a clear trend, we expect to be growing at equal or at least greater pace than in 2013. Then, of course, as discussed, they tend to peak in the summer months. We need some further data to determine why this trend occurs. We should plan on peak sales in the summer and should manage inventory to meet this need. The top selling products are beverages, dairy, meat, and poultry. There are indications these may be changing. In 2013, the annual demand for meat, poultry, produce, and seafood increased by over 50%. Top selling items, which could be more strategically marketed and increases. We need to do some more studying on that. Looks like we've created a loyal base of our customers. In 2013, the top 10% accounted for about 50% of the sales. And we should explore ways of expanding the base by targeting potential high profit customers who currently place small or infrequent orders. As noted, we have a strong geographic diverse set of customers. This base is changing as well. The U.S. now makes up the largest portion of customers, and 2007 it hadn't, with Germany in a close second. Lastly, DDM should supplement this data to allow an analysis of profits. For example, DDDM should determine if certain products or geographic locations are costly or too costly to be profitable.